Hey Googs, I hope you had a great weekend. Now let's see what events we have in store for you this week. Join the Cougs All-In Diversity and Inclusion Council on Monday for We March On. We March On is organized by Alexis Cheatham to raise awareness on racial and social injustices like Black Lives Matter, Asian American anti-racism, and gender equality. The march will start at 11 a.m. at Lynn Eusan Park. Masks are mandatory and signs are encouraged. UH Wellness and the Women and Gender Resource Center will host Take Back the Night on Monday from 5 to 6 p.m. Take Back the Night is an annual program and national day of action bringing attention to sexual violence and interpersonal violence on college campuses. This year, they have created a welcoming virtual space for survivors to learn about resources and preventing sexual violence on our campus. Join the Center for Diversity and Inclusion on Tuesday at 2 p.m. for the workshop Intent versus Impact. This workshop will provide participants with ways to make sure the intentions behind our statements and actions match our impact towards others. The Zoom link will be emailed to those that register for the workshop. The UH Army ROTC program will have a recruiting event on Thursday from 12 to 3 p.m. Representatives will be present outside the Student Center to answer any questions you may have about the ROTC program, the Army, or how you can join their team. Okay, Cougs, that's all the events I have for you this week. Continue to wear your mask, and as the semester is winding down, I encourage you to finish strong. My name is Alicia Gibbs, and always remember to stay in the loop.